This is the Vista Grande door. Not only will it immediately brighten up your space because it has up to 18% more visible glass than most doors, but it's also made of fiberglass, which means it's very durable and it won't rot. My favorite thing about the Vista Grande is the sky's the limit. These bars allow you to customize the door to fit your style. You can actually change these to make it a 2-panel light, a 3-panel light, or just a single panel. Over here on this Craftsman, you can add a shelf to customize it a little more. And over here, we have a 6 light. We can just easily change out the bars and make it a 4 light. You might be thinking, but Tiffany, I like the look of my wood door. What do I do? Fiberglass is smooth. Aha, but it's not. You can order a lot of these doors in either an oak grain or a fir grain, and they can be painted and stained just like a real door. With its lifetime limited warranty, you won't have to worry the next time we have days and days and days and days and days and days and days of rain anymore. Because this door will outlast pretty much anything you throw at it, except rocks. Don't do that.